Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. This is Ashwati. So just now I received this package and this is from Grabbox, and I know that you guys like Grabbox a lot because I've been getting a lot of good response from you guys when I do unboxing of Grabbox, and I think all of you guys like subscription box, right? So I have received the subscription box just now, so I thought that I will just unbox with you guys right now. So I haven't opened it till now. As you guys can see, I'm very excited to open this because Grabbox has my baby is sleeping there. Best thing I like about Grabbox is that it has got everything, like from skincare to makeup to jewelry to nail care, everything is there. So that's the reason I like Grabbox. Some subscription box are like really good, but then they have only skincare products, and I am not a lot into like store-bought skincare products. I always love natural skincare products. So for me, I get so excited when it is jewelry and makeup. Earlier their packaging was different. That used to come a carton kind of packaging. Now they have changed that packaging. I think this is more compact. So let me just open this. Oh, I'm so excited. So they have got all the product details out here. And there is one earring which I'm so excited about. One eye color palette is there. So let's quickly open this and see. The very first thing I get to see is a earring. Oh, it's a pom-pom earring. Let me wear it and see. Oh, I already have a gold earring. So I'll just put it over this earrings itself. Oh my god, that's huge. I do not mind wearing huge earrings, so it's okay for me. It's a good one. And this earrings is for, I think this earrings is random gift from Facken, I think so. This is an eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. This is how the packaging looks like. It's color eyeshadow. And let's just open it. Oh my god, it's broken. Let me try to fix this. And I have tried to fix this and it's almost okay. Oh my god, it's a peacock color blue, I guess. And then there's a beautiful green shade. Wow. And there's a like nice brown shade as well. And here we have yet another greenish shade. Immensely pigmented. It's really nicely pigmented, and the shades are beautiful, really beautiful. Oh, it's very lightweight as well. Definitely I'm sad that it came broken. Oh, this is the oxidized jewelry, which is such a gorgeous piece, you guys. By the way, eye color palette retails for 350 rupees. Oxidized earrings is for 220 rupees. It is not a normal piece of jewelry which we get to see everywhere. It's such a gorgeous piece. I really liked it. So next thing we have is a Facken chocolate lip balm, and it retails for 150 rupees. First I thought that it is eyebrow gel because it's brown in color. So let me just take this. It's nice. It's nice and moisturizing, and at the same time it's not sticky, and the chocolate fragrance is so tempting. Next thing we have is a detoxifying and exfoliating face mask. It's a mud mask. So it basically says that it's mud mask which is good for healing, and also it unclogs pores and tones skin, and it has negatively charged molecules while toxins and metals are positively charged. So it basically says that it is mud which when we apply, it pulls up all the dirt and toxins and chemicals and impurities, and it leaves our skin really nice, fresh. So it says that it is suitable for all skin type. So basically we need to take 2 tablespoons of mud, that is this clay, and mix it with lukewarm or rose water or apple cider vinegar as needed in a non-metallic container. So that's what very important is. It mentions that we should take this in non-metallic container. I think if we take any metallic container, it might react. Apply the clay onto skin and rinse off when dried. It can be used by men and women. That's cool actually. It doesn't have any fragrance though, and I think it looks like multani mitti. So the very last product we have is 2 tea bags, and it retails for 40 rupees, and this mud mask retails for 250 rupees. So, And green tea is apparently said to be very healthy, even though I'm not great fan of green tea. My husband loves it. I do not have green tea, or basically I do not have tea, coffee. I never used to have milk as well, but then after getting pregnant, doctors insisted me to have milk. So that's the reason I started to have milk 3 years back. So I'm not a great fan of green tea, but I will definitely try out this one just to see how it is. So that is all the products, and I think it's worth for the money. Actually, it's steal. Actually, first of all, that earring itself is gorgeous, and this box retails for just 270 rupees. That's a great buy, and there's cash on delivery as well. And also, they have this jewelry subscription box, which is amazing. Actually, I absolutely loved it. Really, I will mention all the price details and also Fakin's website in description box. If you guys want to check it out, please do check it out. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about these subscription box, particularly grab box, subscription box, if you guys have bought it. And now I'm gonna cook my lunch. I haven't cooked my lunch till now. First I have to change my kapda. As usual, I was wearing a tone pocha type of like t-shirt, which you guys know I always wear that kind of t-shirt when I'm at home. So I thought that just to be a little bit presentable, because I'm unboxing a good subscription box, right? So we are going to prepare lunch. For that, I'll be preparing fish curry, fish fry, vegetable side dish, and rice. Rice is already done. So for fish curry, I've taken a kadai, and to that I've added a little bit of coconut oil and fried onion in it. I'll be frying onion in it. I've taken 2 sliced onion, and to that I'll be also adding a little bit of salt. For sabji, I've taken beans and carrot. I've also added a little bit of water as well so that it cooks. And then for fish fry, here the fish is kingfish, and one side is almost done. I have marinated this fish day before, so that like एक ओवरनाइट ऐसे मैरिनेट करने के बाद रखने से it will be like more tasty. So once it is done, one side is almost done, just flip it over to other side. So for fish curry, we are gonna add coconut milk. So I have taken that. Once this onion is fried very well, I'll be adding ginger, garlic and green chili, just sorted very well in the leftover oil, whatever oil is there in the kadai, no, in that. And spices, I'll be adding coriander powder, maybe 1 spoon, maybe half a spoon of turmeric powder. And this is a masala like which has got all these spices, and I have added that. And then I'll be adding chili powder. If you want, you can add fish curry masala as well. So it's up to you guys. Once it is done, just give it good mix. And then we can add tomato. So I have here taken 2 small tomato, and again give it a good mix. And now fish fry is done, and it's really nice, soft, and it is really tasty. Actually, kingfish itself is very tasty fish. And then I'll be adding kukum to this fish curry. This Kerala kukum, and I think Kerala kukum tastes so well. That soreness is there, no? वो बहुत अच्छा होता है फिश करी के लिए. It's tastes so yummy, and it is very healthy as well. And then for this side dish, sabji, this beans and carrot is cooked, and to that I'll be adding coconut and shallots and green chili and red chili powder is there. I have added that in a grinder, and I'll be giving it a quick mix in the grinder, and then I'll be adding this mixture to sabji. So we are not gonna add any coconut oil for this sabji, but then it's up to you guys. If you want to put tadka for this sabji, you can do that, but I'm not gonna do it because just wanted to keep it healthy. So I have added this coconut and coconut का mixture जो हमने अभी बनाया है ना, that tastes so good. Just try it out, guys, especially if you are someone who likes coconut. So side dish is done, that is sabji is done. Now to fish curry, I'll be adding coconut milk. Here I have taken 2 types of coconut milk. One is a very light coconut milk, and one is a thick coconut milk. So basically what I have done is I have once I have mixed this shredded coconut in mixer, I'll be taking out milk from coconut, and that would be the thick coconut
coconut milk, okay? And then I'll be taking the same coconut and adding in water, and then again I'll be like taking out coconut milk from it. Then that would be light coconut milk. I really hope you guys understood what I wanted to say. Basically, it's just optional. If you can't take this two kind of coconut milk, that would be great, so that we can add that light coconut milk at first and let that kingfish like cook in that. Once fish is cooked very well, we can add that थिक कोकोनट मिल्क का पेस्ट जो होता है ना, वो उसमें ऐड करना है. But then if you are buying from market, you can just buy coconut milk as such and then added it at, like one time. That would be like good, more than enough. But then I had time and I love cooking, so I thought let me go full-fledged. Now for tadka, what I've done is I've taken a little bit of coconut oil as usual, and then I have added shallots and curry leaf. So when I tasted curry, I felt that salt and chili powder is a little less, so I'll be adding that to this, and then I'll be giving it good mix. Once the shallots are like nice brown and crispy, I'll be adding that to this fish curry. With that, our fish curry is done and side dish is also done and fish fry is also done. So it was a yummy lunch. So if you are someone who loves fish, please do try it out in this way. Or I think you guys must be already knowing how to make fish curry, but then I just want to show you guys my way of doing it. And that's what our lunch is. It was a yummy lunch because we all love fish. I absolutely love fish. So now, after having lunch, I went for editing. There was nothing happening actually. That's the reason I didn't vlog. Then, actually, before taking shower, I thought of making this coconut paste, coconut hair mask, and that would make our hair really soft and silky, and would also help to straighten our hair. So I thought that I would just share with you guys that recipe. So what I've done is I've taken coconut and then I have grinded in mixer with little bit of water, and then I'm gonna take coconut milk. So for fish curry mein what I've done is I haven't added water at all at first. I'll be just grinding it in mixer and then taking coconut milk, and जो बचा हुआ जो coconut होता है ना वो again I'll be adding it in my mixer and then adding in water. So what we get is, at when we are not adding water, we get that thick coconut milk. That is what I wanted to tell you at first. I hope you guys understood that. Now let us keep that aside, and now for this hair mask I have already taken this coconut milk, as you guys have already seen. Then we need lemon juice. So I have taken half a lemon. If you do not want to apply lemon on your hair, you can definitely take milk as well. Now once you have taken one lemon, I think I have told you guys half a lemon, we have to take one lemon, and then I'll be adding a little bit of water, maybe like a quarter glass of water will be more than enough. And then to that I'll be adding 2 tablespoon of 2 tablespoon of corn flour. Oh my god, I can't speak, you guys. Sorry, it's late night, that's the reason I'm not getting words. I'm feeling so sleepy. Now keeping that aside, again I have just mixed it very well. Now first what we have to do is just put this coconut milk in stove in a bartan, and then just make sure that you stir it very well, give it good mix. आपको अपना हाथ उठाना नहीं, हमेशा ये लाइक इसको मिक्स करते रहना है, नहीं तो ये बर्न हो जाएगा. इसलिए वंस कोकोनट मिल्क इज़ हॉट, जस्ट ऐड दैट मिक्सचर, दैट कोकोनट फ्लोर का मिक्सचर जो है ना वो इस पर ऐड करना है. अगेन मिक्स इट वेरी वेल. वंस इट इज़ इन अ पेस्टी कंसिस्टेंसी, यू जस्ट स्विच ऑफ द फ्लेम. एंड आप जब ये करते हो ना, हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि वो जो स्टव है ना वो सिम पे रखना है, नहीं तो बर्न हो जाने की चांसेस है. नाउ व्हेन इट इज़ लाइक इन अ पेस्टी कंसिस्टेंसी, आपको क्या करना है कि उसको आप एक बर्तन में डाल के रख लो. जस्ट लेट इट रेस्ट फॉर गुड हाफ एन आवर टू 40 मिनट्स, ऐसे ही रख लो. वंस इट इज़ लाइक कूल डाउन वेरी वेल, यू कैन सी दैट दिस जो पेस्टी कंसिस्टेंसी में था ना वो थोड़ा बहुत हार्डन हो जाएगा, तो हमें वो एक क्रीमी कंसिस्टेंसी में मिल जाएगा, एंड दैट वुड बी वेरी ईजी फॉर अस टू अप्लाई ऑन आवर हेयर. ठीक है. And this hair mask is gonna make your hair really smooth and silky. Trust me, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys the result. And I think a lot of you guys must be already knowing this hair mask because it's a very popular one. I have been using coconut milk on my hair for years. Earlier, what I used to do is I will take coconut milk and add in a little bit of lemon juice to it and let it be there for overnight. And next day, you can see that it is in a nice creamy consistency. That is what I used to do. But then for past 1 year, I have been following this method, and it does work pretty well. It works better, I should say. Now, as you guys can see, it is a nice creamy consistency. Now it would be very easy to apply on your hair. I have parted my hair and taken up one section and put it in a bun upside, and whatever hair is left on my back, I'll be just applying this coconut cream. I'll be taking small sections like so, and then applying this cream. Make sure that you take small sections and take your time, apply it from the root till the end, so that like each hair strand is coated with this coconut milk cream. And just continue till you coat your hair completely with this hair mask. I'll be combing my hair once again all over, so that it is this hair mask is nicely spread to all my hair. And once it is done, if you want your hair to be like straight, if you are putting on this hair mask for straight hair, what you have to do is either you have to leave your hair open as it is, or else what you can do is just take small section of hair from one side, put it over to other side, and then repeat the same. But then if you just want to have soft and silky hair, just put your hair up in a bun. That would be fine. Now you will have to keep this mask for 30 to 40 minutes. After that, you can just wash off with shampoo and conditioner. And trust me guys, you can see instant result when it comes to soft and silky hair. But if you want straight hair, you will have to use it for years and years. Then only you are gonna see a result. Now I'll just show you guys the same on my mom's hair, because my mom's hair is way more frizzier, and it's I mean very, what to say, it's not at all soft. So what I've done is I've just taken small section of hair and applied all over her hair. But the only difference is that I haven't applied oil on her hair, but then for me I had applied lot of oil, then I have applied this hair mask. Now she do not need any straight hair. That's the reason I have put it up in a bun, and she have washed it with plain water. As you guys can see, it seems to be a little oily. That's because coconut milk will have a little bit of oil. But then if you are shampooing your hair, that is not something you need to worry about. My mom didn't use any shampoo or conditioner, so it seems to be a little oily. But then you guys can see that it is very soft. Her hair is very soft. But now when it comes to me, I have applied shampoo and conditioner, so you guys can see that there is no oil at all, and my hair is way more soft and silkier. If you guys can see my picture here, my hair used to be very wavy. I have been using this for years, and as you guys can see, here my hair is like straight, right? It's not even wavy. And now my hair is almost straight. Almost, it's not completely straight, it's almost straight. So I have tried it, I have tested it, I have seen good result. And by the way, if you guys are wondering why my hair is short right now, that's because I have donated my hair like few months back. I have donated 16 inches of my hair, and now I am like growing out my hair again. That's because I wish to donate my hair again. That's the reason I'm growing my hair now. So that's it, you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this vlog. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.